40 types of popular Cleistocactus pictorial guide. Cleistocactus is a genus of cacti that comes from the family Cactaceae. Cleistocactus cacti are characterized by their columnar shape, which can rise to 6 meters in height, and their long, spiny stems. The stems are typically ribbed and have a green or bluish-green color. Cleistocactus baumannii, Cleistocactus brookeae, Cleistocactus bucktieni, Cleistocactus candelilla, Cleistocactus collodiomananus, Cleistocactus tominensis, Cleistocactus micropetulus, Cleistocactus hyalocanthus, Cleistocactus jujuensis, Cleistocactus pungens. Cleistocactus cacti are reasonably easy to look after, and they make excellent houseplants for those who want to bring a touch of the desert into their homes. Whether you are a collector of cacti or merely want to add a touch of desert to your home, the Cleistocactus is an exceptional choice. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.